Hey guys, I have a Suzuki Sidekick 1991 four-wheel drive 1 point, what are they? I don't know what needed, but that doesn't matter. Do you hear what the car's doing? It's revving up on its own. The idle keeps going up and down, and it wasn't doing this before. I also have an air leak, a vacuum leak. Can you hear it? I know where it's coming from. I traced it down to this little hole, and I looked up online. Nobody has anything on it, but there's a hole right there. Now watch. When I cover up the hole, it's fine. I looked it up, and that is something to do with the idle needle. I don't know if it's missing or what, but this thing has been to the mechanics a few times. It's come back, and I didn't notice that before, but so what I do about that, I'll throw the idle. See, now it's idling fine, but when it warms up, it starts doing that, and then it's like sporadic. So this thing also has, it's a wiring mess. Looks like they put a horn right here. Down here, the car would not start, wouldn't even turn on before when you turn the key. I don't know what happened. Mechanics probably did this, but it looks like they bypassed this right here and put a loop in it. A loop in the connector. I plugged it in, tried to turn on the car, and it wouldn't even click over. Put that back, and it starts right up. It looks like that might go to the transmission. There must be a sensor in there to make sure it's in park. And then that leads me to another problem. When I take the brake, let's shut it off. Okay, in park, the car rolls back. So it's either not going in park, or the sensor's messed up, and that's why they bypassed it. But and it does kind of feel like it's not. Well, it clicks. No, it's like not going all the way into park or something. You can release the knob and it'll stay there, but it's not going into park. As soon as you release the knob, it like comes down. So it's. How do I fix that? Is that the transmission or the linkage? So that's another problem with that. And I think there's a sensor in here that lets you know what gear it's in. That might need to be replaced. Let me know for sure, because I want to fix this thing up. I was thinking about selling it, but it's a great off-road vehicle. Not good for commuting. I don't feel safe commuting in it anymore, but I still want to use it as a toy. So I had to fix the little things here and there. The transmission. The other thing that I noticed is that when you're driving in the morning, it won't kick into second gear until the car warms up. So I'll look it up. That might be a sensor inside the transmission that's gunked up that I need to take the pan off and replace. Again, let me know if that's what you think. But it's a nice car. I just when I bought it, I put brand new tires, bigger tires on it. And I like it no matter what problems it has. Now, yesterday I replaced the starter because I thought, well, that's the problem. The starter is going in and out because sometimes it would turn over, sometimes it wouldn't. That was hard to get to, but I managed to do that. And then about 6 months ago, I replaced the alternator. So I did that, and that's why, whoa, see, the truck started rolling in park. Not good, not safe. So I replaced the alternator, and I tightened the belt, but it still squeaks when you turn it on. But it goes away. Those are the problems with it. Let me know what you think. I'm concerned about the parking brake and that connector right there. I'm sure it goes to the transmission to let you know it's in park, and it was probably bypassed by the mechanic. And the warm-up, the idle right here, when there's a leak vacuum leak, and the idle goes up and down. So if this is a vacuum leak and there's a needle in there and it was taken out, I don't know where to find it. I looked online and couldn't find it anywhere. All right, and also the mileage, supposed to get about 20 something miles a gallon. I'm not getting that at all. I'm getting low gas mileage, probably because it's not running right. So I want to make sure that's good. Oh, also over the weekend I replaced the this door handle. Wasn't working, it broke. Took this off. There's a little plastic clip in there that very flimsy I bought. I put another one in here. That's all it is. It's a plastic clip. I think I got it on eBay or Amazon. But this clip right here, I replaced it, and I started using the door handle and looking at it, and it bends. So I don't think it's gonna last long. I wish it was a metal one. And then I replaced the window regulator on that side, and it didn't do that much better. Before it was hard to roll up and down. It's still hard to roll up. So the window regulator I got off of eBay or Amazon either isn't that good, or that window is just I don't know what else is wrong. I'll have to look at it. I tried spraying WD-40 on the parts and it still is hard to roll up and down. This one, fine. I didn't replace the regular on this side, so probably did not get a good one. All right, I'll talk to you later. Let me know in the comments. Bye.